Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to edit your profile in Yubo. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Yubo application. Then tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on Complete Your Profile button. And then edit your profile. Once you are done, tap on the preview button at the top right corner of your screen. And this is how you can edit your profile in Yubo. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.